Hey guys, we are the Wickmans. My husband quit his job and we sold all of our things so we could spend more time together, travel the world, and learn new cultures. Join us as we navigate our lives in many beautiful new places.
Alright guys, we're back at the immigration's office getting our pictures and fingerprints done. Hopefully everything goes smooth. We'll bring you along for the ride. You guys ready?
Yes, I'm ready for it to be over.
Us too. Let's go, Bubba. Ready to get your picture taken, Bubba? Maybe a little bit of some fingerprints? Alright, we're waiting to get our names called. Try to get these photos and fingerprints done. Back at it again, Mom.
Yep. They both need their mama, especially when they're sick.
So getting the fingerprints and the photos were super nice and easy. So that was pain-free. Glad to see it. About the first thing that's been pain-free.
I'm happy that you get to come back next time by yourself.
So I got to come back in a week. I can come back in the afternoon between like 1 and 3 to pick up all 4 of our passports. And I don't need to bring anybody else with me, just the paperwork they gave me.
That made me really sad because Araya had to get her picture done and the lady's like, oh, smile. And then Araya went like, cheese. And she goes, oh, you have a bunch of chocolate all over your face. And I was like, that's not chocolate. She's just sick.
Cheese.
So sad. Well, good thing is they didn't touch anything in there, so I feel pretty good that nobody's gonna pick anything up from us. Pretty happy about that.
Yeah, I'm very happy about that. When she's like, she doesn't have to do fingerprinting, I was like, thank God, because I was gonna have to tell her, like, you have to sanitize that.
When you're done talking, can I thank you?
Yes. Is that little pouch making you feel better?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
All right, guys, so we are in Denpasar, and I just saw this cosmetic store on the side of the road, and I was like, oh my God, we have to stop because I've needed mascara like this whole entire trip and haven't found it. So it's called Murni Cosmetics. So the airport took my little cosmetic scissors, and I just found some. They have so much stuff here. It's so exciting. If I need anything, I know where to go. 148,000 for these 3 things. Not bad. Okay, that was definitely a win. Feeling super excited. Got everything I needed and one thing I didn't. And yeah, let's show my fam. Got some mascara, and she even talked me into a little bit of a lip serum.
Son of a gun. So what'd they get you for in there? How much was it?
Just 248,000.
248,000. My goodness, they got off on you. You done bought a house in there.
Literally.
All right, I'm back at the Big E to pick up my surfboard. Hope he's here. They told me to come back tomorrow, so I'm sure it's done. Pretty stoked. Well, that's what happens when the boss isn't there. I dropped my board off with some kids and it wasn't ready.
So I tried to get Araya something at Balinku at the baby store for a little prize, but I couldn't find what I was looking for, so we came to this place called King's Toys. Let's see if I can find the kids something cool. Do you have any like buckets and stuff to build sandcastles? Ah, yes. Yes. Yes, okay. Exactly. Thank you so much. Oh, this is cute. Little crab. Oh, they have a lot of nice little toys for the kids. Okay, so I just found this little Jeep, and Araya is literally obsessed with Jeeps because Pop and Nanny used to have a Jeep, so I think that I will go ahead and get her that. Ah, perfect. I think they're adding some batteries in there for me, and they said that they're rechargeable and they last 3 hours. So that's really cool. She is going to love this. They're having me test it out. Let's see. Oh, yep. Okay. She works. All right, everything works. They put the batteries in for me. Okay, so the King's Toy Store in Sitakaria. It's awesome, the people are awesome, and they made sure everything works for me, so we're very happy. It's a Jeep.
It has a flow control.
Yeah, it's a remote controlled Jeep. Is that cool?
I'll drive it when you get home.
All right, do you want to play with your new toys on the beach?
Yeah.
Bubba's on it. He knows what the deal is.
Bubba, do you want to play with your new toys on the beach?
Yay! Yay!
What have you started, Daddy? We just got to Keramas. It's super, super low tide, so hopefully we can find some sea glass. Sissy can play with her toys. Maybe we'll build a sandcastle.
In the pools.
Oh, maybe we can get in some tide pools. Yep. Hi, Pepper. We tried to do our rock intro last night, but it got a little too dark, so we're gonna try to redo that. We're gonna have a little picnic dinner on the beach tonight. Since the kids are sick, we don't really want to go to any restaurants and possibly get anybody infected. Woohoo! What do you think about that? Oh, run your brother over.
There you go, Raya.
We also brought a big bag, and we're gonna do some beach cleanup tonight too, because last night when we were here, we realized there was a ton of trash.
Whoa. You liking that, Bubba? Your shovels and your rakes?
Wow, look at this. This is for your castle to put tops on it.
Can I use that one, Daddy?
Sure, can I have the other one? All right, we got it filled up. Are you ready to flip it?
Can you flip it?
Yep, I'll flip it. Pack it with your hands. Good job.
Yeah, can you flip it?
You ready? Where you want me to flip it? Right here?
Yeah.
All right, let's see how it comes out. Whoa.
Well, what's my little door? What's my coming away a fish?
Okay, let's make a fishy here. Whoa, nice fishy. So it looks like you found a better way to collect some rocks.
Yes, last night we were running around going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Now I'm getting to like get heaps of them all in one little go. Except for I don't want my back.
She knows we're going to Australia, so she's getting her accent ready. All the lingo.
There's heaps of them, mate. Look what else I found.
Woo.
Nice blue piece of sea glass.
Whoa, what you got there, son? That's cool. Are you taking rocks from Mama's pile?
I made
Huh?
a moat.
Oh, you're making a moat? You're so smart, girl.
Ow!
This black sand here is so pretty. Sparkles in the sun. Super cool. All right, first piece to the puzzle. We're gonna make another one?
You're making us that one.
All right, we're almost done with our second piece to the puzzle.
I have a little topping.
Okay, put it on top.
Can you do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
I'll make this.
Ooh, nice touch. Nice. Wait, what are you doing?
What, Daddy?
What are you doing?
What, Daddy?
What? Guys, we just worked what? So as you guys know, we came down here last night to play with some of the rocks and do a little bit of some riding with it. But we ran out of sunlight, so we came back to finish it up. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of Mom's progress. She said yesterday she kind of figured out some things she did wrong, so she wanted to perfect it anyway, so it works out good. I'd say everybody's feeling much better too, because yesterday Araya barely even got off of this little mat we brought out here, so love seeing them running around. Coming along, looks beautiful, Mom. It's so cool getting to walk out on the reef at low tide. Thank goodness it's nice and soft because I've bounced off it a few times while surfing. All the cool tide pools out here are so sweet. All right, Mama finished it up. Let's see what it looks like.
Super sick. Good job, Mom.
Got some local kids fishing out here on the reef. Looks like he's using a little sabiki to catch some fish. He's got one in his pocket. I'm not really sure what it is. It's a wild looking piece of coral. It's all like metallic silver. It's pretty crazy looking. What are you doing, crazy? When we come to these beautiful countries, we'd like to do our part. So before we have dinner, we're gonna do a little trash pickup. Came down here last night. It was pretty trashy, so we figured we'd come back and do a little beach cleanup. Crazy how much trash washes up on the beach. It's sad. Maybe one day us humans will get better.
Thank you, little girl. We aren't leaving a single piece of plastic, not even that big. Okay. Oh, yep, a fork. Thank you. So it's been 2 times now that ladies have stopped what they were doing walking the beach and start collecting with their bare hands some trash to add to our trash bags. So I think it's so cool that we're already inspiring people to start helping out and clean up our beaches.
Here's a new definition of wade fishing right here. You got like 4 or 5 foot sets coming in on dry reef, and these kids are out here trekking it. And they got a few fish in their bag too. We're picking up friends on the beach.
So good. I don't know if it's better on the beach, but it is delicious.
All right, guys, it's a beautiful ending to an awesome day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We enjoyed making it for you. And like always, like and subscribe.
You! We got a decent amount of trash today. I'm really happy with it. We're gonna go ahead and throw it away in this trash can.
Good job, Mama.
That's a wrap on today. Let's go home and put these kids to bed.
All right.